Well, now I am in the game, so I can record myself flying a plane. Let's use that one. Boom. Let's go in simulator mode, and then boom. So like this is simulator mode, so this is how planes fly in real life, basically. Right. So right now I'm using my my whole thing. The pedals, the joystick, the throttle. You can see like the feet right now. That's me moving the feet and the handle. Ah, this is great. Tomorrow I'm gonna have some oil to put on the throttle as well, because if you look at the top left of the screen, you can see like the throttle that's at 88% right now. If I do this, you can see like it's not smooth, like it jumps. It's hard to control. You can also see it here because it doesn't have like proper oil on it, so it's unsmooth. But tomorrow it arrives, so that's not gonna be an issue anymore. It's just gonna be a bit hard to control for now. Okay, well, you see that ship there? I'm gonna go for that ship there. This is so cool. I'm gonna do like no damage because that thing's a battleship and I have like small guns. Ooh. Wow, I did so little damage. I did absolutely nothing. Let's do a barrel roll. I'm putting the camera like this so you can see the joystick as well as the feet and the throttle, so you can see everything. So it's not like exactly looking forwards. That's not how I would fly. Normally I would fly like this, but I want you to be able to see this. I'm looking for a plane right now. I don't really see any. Don't know where it is. Could be anywhere really. Right. Let's try a backflip, you know what? It was not a smooth one, was it? Oh, I see a plane. Right there. Damn, right after the backflip. Is it going towards me? Or behind? No, it's going the opposite way of me, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, let's get this plane. Let's get this guy. Clearly he didn't see me. Oh gosh. Oh my aim. Oh my aim is so bad. What in the world? No reaction from that person. I'm saying that like it's a real person. That's not a real person. That's a bot. That's a bot playing. What am I talking about? I just got used to not playing against bots, so then I would expect one to be more reactive than this. But like it's extremely hard to aim. Oh, I got his wing. There you go. Okay, well that's enough of an example. Now let's go land. The airfield is right here. I feel like landing is a good way to end this demonstration. The throttle is hard to control. Ooh, little jump there. Ooh, maybe it was coming a bit fast, but I mean the throttle is horrendous right now, so it's kind of hard to control. You can also see me like moving the feet back and forth. I'm trying to brake right now. It's not braking for some reason. Am I correct? I feel like I ran off. I feel like did I really overshoot the runway? Hold on. I just overshot the runway. I was going way too fast. I blame this on the throttle. It's gonna be fine tomorrow.